Ciao a tutti! Today we're going to make Nonna's Italian pot roast. Welcome to Nonna's Italian Kitchen with Roz Carreri. First of all, start with melting a 1/4 cup of butter in a heavy pot. Then put in your 3 to 4 pound pot roast and season it with Mrs. Dash salt-free seasonings and nature's seasonings and any other herb or spice that you prefer. You will be adding some rosemary as well. You want to start off by searing the beef on both sides for about 5 minutes each side until it's a nice dark brown. Don't worry about the butter turning a little brown. That's okay, because that's going to help with the browning and the searing of your roast. Now you want to do this for about 5 minutes on each side. You can see that I'm rubbing the pot roast in the darkened butter. This works beautifully. It is not burnt. It's just full of caramel flavor. Then you want to add about a 1/4 cup of minced garlic. Add about 6 to 8 medium potatoes cut into half and then thirds. Add 1 large onion chopped. And then you want to add a lot of carrots, probably about 8 medium-sized carrots, cut into 1-inch pieces. Then you want to add mushrooms. Then you'll add celery, about 3 to 4 stalks, cut up into about 1-inch pieces. And then you're going to add in chopped Italian parsley and some fresh rosemary as well that's minced. And then you're going to add beef broth, about 8 cups, but you can add a little bit more if you want. It just depends on how much sauce you want. After the beef broth, you're going to add some Worcestershire sauce, some kitchen bouquet, plus some Better Than Bouillon paste. And then you want to stir things up a little bit. There's not a lot of room in this pot, but it will boil down. And then you want to add some Italian passata, which basically is a jar of pureed tomatoes. This gives this such a depth of flavor. You're going to just love the addition of this to the beef broth. Stir it up a little bit. It's going to look watery, but this really thickens up nicely as it bakes in the oven. Just look at the beautiful color of everything combined. The orange of the carrots, the green of the celery, the parsley, the rosemary, and the beautiful deep brown of the broth. Now you want to cover it up, and then you want to stick it in the oven at a low temperature of 275 degrees Fahrenheit or 135 degrees Celsius, and bake for 2 to 3 hours until the vegetables are soft and the beef is fork tender. Okay, it's ready to go. It's been in the oven for about 3 hours. Look how thick and wonderful the sauce is. The vegetables are bright and just ready to enjoy. And the roast is just perfect. All you need to do now is take it to a platter and give it a nice presentation. Sprinkle it with a little bit more minced Italian parsley. Buon Appetito! Thanks for joining us today at Nonna's Italian Kitchen. Let us know what you think in a comment below, and please subscribe. We'd love to have you in our community. Ti amo. Ciao ciao for now.